Guys, welcome back to RVC Talk. So let's quickly look at Nifty, Bank Nifty. What are the trading opportunities? How our indicator levels actually work for today's trading. Okay. Before we get started on the Nifty, so let's quickly look at on yesterday. That's the 2025 Jan 1st, right? Yesterday, market opened a little towards the negative, and then we see it is actually the momentum seems to be upward. More than momentum, we clearly discussed at the end of the market. If you see, this is able to cross the low of the week and able to just close somewhere very close to high of the month. So we indicated the market seems to be in the upward momentum, and if it is able to sustain above the month high, right? So our indicator high of the month, right? If it is able to close or if it is able to sustain, then we should see very strong upside momentum, right? So that's the bottom line, and hope you had seen yesterday's video clearly. These two things only I have updated in the script, right? So for the monthly, let's put the levels 3 and a weekly 3 for a better understanding, and let's enable daily levels. We have for everything as a default, we'll put only 111 because this one is a very important line for me, a monthly, right? So if you see monthly, the monthly is yeah somewhere here, right? Okay. Now let's start analyzing it here for our better understanding. Okay. So in addition to this, if you want, okay, I had one more script. I'll show you for a double confirmation. Now this market open and then there is a push towards high of the month is here. It went all the way here, and then there is a reversal, back-to-back candles. It's a good confirmation. This crossed last week VWAP plus VWAP of the current week. You see, VWAP of the current week, both are taken out in one shot. This is a crossing reversal itself is the strongest indication. On top of that, crossing these levels one any CE, right? The price of this is 23,789. Now you look at 23,700, 23,750, 23,800, doesn't matter. You take CE and wait for some time and see the momentum, right? Here it exactly touched the high of the week. This color is a week, and then it crossed, and then again a small retracement, but that momentum continued all the way up to last month VWAP, which is a major hurdle. We always talk about this. Remember this. Today I actually posted some guidelines on how to take the trades, where to take the trades using this indicator. This is one of the important thing. Let me enable this one. Okay, so the traditional confirmation doesn't have too many things. Okay, it has a weekly 20 SMA, daily 20 SMA, daily 200 SMA, weekly, monthly pivots. Only this. Okay, and then CPR. CPR is anyway below here. I don't use this. So here it has come. You see exactly monthly and weekly pivots are touched. And once it is taken over, even if you are doubtful, dilemma, right? There is nothing to worry. This indicator once across monthly high and weekly highs, blind one side direction. Here again, one more double, triple confirmation, crossing a monthly pivot, weekly pivot. It is only possible to go upside. There is no reversal here. Tomorrow, tomorrow, if you look at, remember this one, if the price take out this, you may face some resistance in this area, but if this can sustain, we will see much higher. I'm not going to say what number, but definitely we will continue to see good upside. You look at this today, 445 points up, right? So never ever miss this kind of an opportunities. And there is nothing like, a retrace, strong retracements are also not there. Once this level is crossed, this goes from this line to this line to line trading, I'm telling you. If you look at right from here to here, from here to here, it's an easy trading opportunity. All you need to is get hold of these lines, understand, and it perfectly works. Trust me. Okay. So now quickly look at Bank Nifty. Now Bank Nifty opened somewhere here. A monthly high is touched again after opening. When you see a reversal, there is an opportunity. It went all the way up here to current week VWAP, and then retracement to monthly high, monthly low. I'm sorry, monthly low, and then straight to week 20 also crossed here. So this is a weekly pivot is tomorrow. We are going to see here. There are a few things like, daily 20, weekly. Let's not worry too many things. Okay. See, for us, the price should sustain above weekly 20, right? Because it's already crossed monthly high, monthly low, weekly low, weekly high, current pivot, everything is cleared. Now the only direction seems to be an upwards unless there is a major reversal, right? So tomorrow levels again, you will be able to see it here, and based on that, you go ahead and take a trade. Please feel free to ping me in case if you need any support or a clarification. Okay, I keep posting in the group, but okay. And one more thing is because I updated the line thickness options here, so just uh, remove this indicator, go to indicators, select the invite only scripts and just apply, right? And then you will be able to see these additional changes of daily, weekly, monthly thickness changes. If not everyone, at least majority of you had taken a trade using this indicator, 100% you would have made some profit. Okay. And also the last and before we close, I just mentioned one point somewhere when we are here, right? So exactly at this candle. I asked, don't take PE here, thinking that anyway market from here to here, all the way it has come up here. So lot of people are thinking 24 155, 24 200 PE, we can take it. I clearly mentioned don't take it here. The reason is if you look at in this candle, the volume, even though it's a red candle, the volume seems to be positive, and I see that this line is going to take out. Once this line take out, there is always a possibility of going up on your option 24 200 PE from 45 rupees or something at this point of time here, right? Is actually into 1196 rupees here, unnecessarily losing the money. But when we see there is a reversal here, our golden stop here, right? Golden stop here, which actually from here 6 rupees, it went all the way up to 25 rupees. 4 times up, right? That's all you want, right? You just need to take it here, exit here. If it's not so easy, but that's what exactly happened, literally. And of course, I made some, but not a huge, because this is almost at the end of the market, and this opportunity is good enough for us to make the money. Wait for tomorrow market to open, and then we will see what trade we should take. So don't jump into the kind of like looking at the market. Don't think that we are missing out. And tomorrow probably I'll give you more in terms of an options FNM stocks analysis related thing. But if you look at overall, yesterday we were talking about Maruti. You see Maruti another 11 250 to 870, right? So there is like 600 points up. Bajaj Finance, this also we discussed. This is also almost 450 points up. There is a M&M, 120 points up. And another interesting thing, right now still trading going on is on silver. From yesterday to today, so yesterday market is closed here. So let's forget about all what we are talking, right? We just look at this one, just only this frame. The market tried to break this monthly high. It finally, if you look at the time, 115, but most of the time it is here. So unsustained here. And you look at this, what happened. This is today. From 87,000, straight away opened 88,269. I mean, 7,800 point up. So straight away it opened up here, and then it VWAP of the current week, VWAP of the current month, both are crossed here, right? Struggled a lot, but once this takeover and the low of the week started acting as a support, and then you see it is going up further. Overall, there is like I would say 1.7%, which is around 1500 points up, right? Gold is also 800 points up. You see, it is going up and up. You are seeing the VWAP of the month. Okay. In our group also, we clearly mentioned once the VWAP of the month cross, it will go in the same direction. If it breaks down, it will go down. Breaks towards upside, it will go up, right? Hope some of these, even though we are talking about analysis, the levels what we are discussing will help you. That is the intention of these videos. Okay, because you had seen anyway whole day you had seen the market. There's nothing like, we come back and talk about the same market what you already seen, but discussing about the levels, how, what are the opportunities where we should have taken trades is in a good understanding, which will definitely help you tomorrow when you see a close about this. You take C. Probably it may test and reverse. Our market may open anywhere here. It may test this and then bounce back. It can happen anywhere. Our market may open above and then it come back and then break and then it will come down. N number of opportunities. So just wait. This level is an important level, and this level, a monthly VWAP is another important level. You remember these two, and then plan your trade based on the level what MWD magic indicator is going to display. Okay. Yeah. Thank you very much. Have a nice day. Good night. Thank you.